Okay, we're gonna use the this one. Okay, let's start lesson 8B. Before we're gonna start lesson 8B, I want to review with you a little bit about lessons on the unit 6. If you still remember this, okay, let's see if you still remember this. I'm gonna use the card again today. All right, Alan. You remember how to do this? What is it equal to? 5. You add the exponent, right? 2 power 5. So you add the exponent. When you have same base and same base, so you're gonna add the exponent, right? This is unit 6. So you can review unit 6 for this. Whenever I have same base, I'm gonna add the exponent. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. Jose, what I'm gonna do for second one? Multiply the exponent. This is the power. I only see one base and they have a parenthesis power, so I multiply them. Multiply 2 to 3, I have 5 to the power 6. This is a review. I hope this one gonna refresh your mind about unit 6. Unit 8 is combined between unit 6 and 7. 6 is about arithmetic. They call this arithmetic, like calculation, number, property. And then unit 7 is about function. If you see the homework, the step sheet for unit 8, you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. That's a lot. Because 8 combined of 6 arithmetic and 7 function. After we do this, we're gonna learn about inverse function, domain and range kind of stuff. So, all right, next, Elizabeth. Number 3. You distribute the power. Very good. Distribute the power. So it is 5 squared times 3 squared. I just want to review the property so we don't need to write 25 times 9. Okay, Prisha, number 4. What you gonna do? Similar to this. Yeah, you distribute the power. Very good. Distribute the power. 5 squared over 3 squared. Okay. All right, Yasmin. Number 5. When you see same base but they divide like this, it's different from here. From here you're adding. How about this? What are you gonna do? You subtract them. Very good. So you subtract them. The 3 minus 2, I subtract the power because they have same base. 5 of 1, and then we don't need to write 1. So this is the answer is 5. Yeah. Samantha, last one. When you see the negative power, what you gonna do to make it positive? Flip it. You flip it. Yeah, right? You flip it. So 5 has been 5 over 1. So you're gonna flip to 1 over 5 cubed. Okay. Does it ring any bell? Yeah? You still memorize this, right? Okay. Then you should review it. You should review unit 6, yeah. If you take the note, this is the note. If you take the note and you study, when unit 6, then it didn't take long for you to over that. Yeah. I think if you when unit 6, if you study, when you review it, it's very fast. It just go back very fast. So the difference between unit 6 and today's lesson is that you want to do some fraction on the power. That's the only difference. Before we learned already 6 property this, and now the difference is you're gonna see some fraction on the power. That's it. That's the only difference from unit 6 and today's lessons. You should think twice before you sign up for this.
It's gonna be easy. It's
Honors. What is the name? Honor Advanced. You think it easy?
You spell. What about AP statistics? Oh, that's gonna be hard.
Well, it is depend on you. If you just study, you don't think it's going to be hard.
Let's say AP statistics.
Okay, Andrea, up here. Go to Lope Montano. Can you help me with number one? Same property, same property. If you see same page, what you gonna do? What you hear? So 1/4 plus 1/2, very good. Same base, I'm gonna add the exponent. The same thing that we learned before, right? But now we're just dealing with fraction. In case you don't know how to add fraction. Yeah. So in case, okay, I just say in case you don't know how to add fraction, I'm gonna review how you gonna do with fraction. Not cross, not really cross. Right, very good. You're gonna change them into the same number, right? Here I can change the 2 to 4, right? Yes. Denominator, you need to have the same denominator when you're doing with fraction. So I multiply by 2 for bottom and top. On top, so you have 1/4, and the second one is 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And now you can see they have the same denominator. Good to go. I'm gonna add the top. 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 over 4. Yeah? Adding fraction. So my answer is x to the power 3/4, 3 over 4. That's the answer. Yeah. See? So they just the same properties that we learned before, but now we have fraction. That's the only difference. Brian, number 2. Again, same base. What you want to do to the exponent? You multiply them or you add them or you do what? Subtract them. Exactly. You want to add them. Yeah. So what is 7 over 5 plus 3 over 5? Plus, huh? 7 over 5 plus 3 over 5. Plus 3 over 5. Do they have the same denominator already? Yeah, so you just need to work on the top, add them, right? So you add the top. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Yeah. 10 over 5. What is 10 over 5? 2. Yeah. So I will just run step by step here. Maybe one more. So in case you don't know what happening here. So x squared. Yeah. Pretty straightforward, I think. Pretty straightforward. All right, number 3, Chris. What you gonna do when you see something like this? Power. It's similar to what we have learned before. Look at which one you're gonna look at. When you number 4. Do you think this is number 4? How many power you see? Only 1. This one you have 2 power. Number 2. Yeah, you see? Power of power. You see 2 power, right? So this one also 2 power. The same thing here, but now you're gonna do refraction. So do you multiply them or you add them? Multiply them. So x negative 1/2 multiplied by negative 2/3. If you don't know how to multiply fraction, I'm gonna go over again as well. Just in case, you know. To multiply cross, okay? To multiply fraction, very easy. It's much easier than adding fraction. To multiply fraction, top to the top, bottom to bottom. That's it.
Would it be positive 2 and
Positive 2 and
6?
6, yes. Top to top, bottom to bottom. Okay.
Not like that.
Yeah. 1/3. Faster is you cancel the 2. You need to simplify it. But here it's better if you can see that 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top, you can cancel it. You can also do it on here, cancel this. You have left 1/3, negative and negative positive. So 1/3. If you can see it, the number on the top and number on the bottom, they're going to cancel out. So this I'm gonna do is cancel the two, cancel the two. So I have 1/3. Yeah,
That's the easy way.
yeah. What is the power of 1/3? Huh? What the meaning of the power of 1/3? Cube root, right? What is the power of 1/2? Square root. Yeah. I just so you know. All right, next. Hayden. What you gonna do with this? Oh, the action is simplified. So when you simplify, remember the note I wrote right here? When you simplify, it's better to use the exponent notation. So convert this into fraction is better. So can you convert this? 8 is 1/4. Very good. And 2, 1/3. All right. Okay, here. What can we do? What can we do? Oh, this is 8. This is 2. They're not the same base. You cannot subtract the power. How can you make it? How can you make it? How can you make it the same base? Huh? Think about it. What do you mean divide? Not divide yet. We eventually will divide, but not divide yet. What do you think? What we can do in here? Can you convert the 8? What 8?
Oh, 4.
What 8 is 4? What 8? What 8 equal to? 8 is 2.
3.
Something power.
To the power of 3.
2 cube. Do you agree? 8 is 2 cube. You agree? Yeah. So I convert 8 between 2 cube. I still have 1/4 on the top. Okay. Do you see that? Because I'm doing this, now I have the same base with the bottom. So I can simplify them. Yeah. So that's the trick. That's maybe the new thing we learned today. And what we're gonna do with this first? The power. What we need to do first? Right here. What do we need to do first? The power. Add them, multiply them. Power. You multiply them. So 3 times 1/4 is 3/4. Maybe you can run one more step in case you know why. Okay, so multiply 3 to 1/4. Now, do you see that they have the same base? Yes? Do they have the same base? 2 and 2, the same base, right? Now you can do what to the exponent? What can you do with the exponent? Add, subtract, divide. You guys are so creative. 3/4 minus 1/3. And if you don't know how to subtract two fractions, the same thing when we adding two fractions. We need the same denominator on the bottom. The number on the bottom needs to be the same. How? How can I make this the same? You multiply, like you can use the word cross multiply, but not really cross multiply, but if that makes sense to you, you're gonna multiply the whole thing to this the other bottom number, right? So multiply this by 3, multiply this by 3, and multiply this one by 4. Yes. The reason we do this because after you multiply, you can see what happened. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Right? Do you see that they have the same denominator? Yeah, that's the reason why. And now 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. Minus them. Now you can work on the top. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5/12. Yeah. So the answer is 2. 5/12. Even though it may look like a lot of steps right here, but you just need to work one by one. Whatever it leads you to the next step, just keep going to do it. So don't worry, don't be discouraged when you see, oh, too many steps. It's not. Just go one step by one step. Yes. Good. Where were we? Okay, here. All right. All right, number 5. Who next? Mark. Very similar, but there's a better way. That's why. Do you see very similar to here?
Yeah.
What is the difference?
Uh,
They have the same root power for this one. This one they have different root power. You see that? This is 4 root, this is 3rd root, cube root. But this one they have same 4 root. What can you do? That's the hint.
1/4. 1/4.
Close, but not one. Well, okay, Mark.
Well, I was gonna say the same thing.
1/4.
Yeah.
What does it mean 1/4?
So like,
Like 8 to the 1/4?
yeah.
Okay. Who else have a better idea?
Can you cancel out?
Yes, you can cancel out. The reason is because they have the same root power. So you can remember the story I said, oh, Mark have an umbrella, Sophia have another umbrella, and then they can just, how can we can use this big umbrella together? The same thing here. They have the same root power, so you can combine them into same big root power, 4 root. You can combine them. Unless Sophia doesn't like Mark, and that's, oh, no, go away. Good. Now you combine them into one same big radical, right? And what is 8 divided by 2? 4. Yeah. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this is much better than this. Yeah. So note is
I just waited for a second.
combine them,
Well, I'm looking at.
combine same root power. So that's the note for this. You combine when you have same root power. Can we do anything with the 4 root of 4?
Yeah. So
4 is 2 times 2. We don't have enough 4 same number, right?
you just do it like that?
So just leave it like that. Yes. We halfway there. We halfway done. This lesson is just review with you this thing, but the fraction. That's it. So we halfway done.
I'm gonna pass this lesson.
Oh, actually no. We did 1/3. 1/3. We have 15 this cycle.
15?
15. Yeah.
So that's the. Hey, good. Oh, good. Is that the same lesson? Like simplify expression?
Yeah. Simplify. Just do simplify.
Oh, shiny a pen. Yeah, pen.
No, I don't. All right. Can I erase this? Yeah.
You got pen, you got pen. You got pen. All right, better. Thank you, sir. Mr. What are your plans for the weekend?
Huh?
What are your plans for the weekend?
Weekend? Where I'm going?
No, just like plans.
Class.
Plans.
Oh, my plans? I just go to Orange County. Okay. Number 6. Jennifer. It's not the time to play hangman though. Brian, just leave him, just let him do study like that. So you can go back to your seat. Number 6, Jennifer. What you do first? You're gonna distribute the power. Very good. You're gonna distribute the power. Why can I add the exponent up inside? Yeah, because it's different letter. They're different letter. They're not the same base. Yeah, different base. So I have x 2 times 1/3 and y of 3 times 1/3, right? So 2 times 1/3 is 2/3. 3 times 1/3 is 3/3. What is 3/3? 1. So just 1. So y to the 1, but you don't really need to write 1. Yeah. You done? Okay, hold on. Let me do this. Andrea, number 7. So you have two base on different level. What you gonna do with the power? Similar to this, right? They have same base. What you gonna do? Subtract the power. Very good. So 7/10 minus 1/5. How can you do 7/10 minus 1/5? 7/10 1 minus 1/5. Huh? You multiply by what? You make the same bottom number the same, right?
Oh.
I just reviewing subtract into fraction. Yeah. Same number on the bottom, good to go. So you work on the top. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. Where were we? Are we good with this? So we distribute the power. We have 2 times 1/3, and this is 3 times 1/3. Yeah. To distribute. Distribute that means you multiply. So 2 times 1/3 is 2/3. 3 times 1/3 is 3/3. And 3/3 is 1. So 1 we don't really need to write 1. Yeah. Now number 7. Number 7 is similar to this. When you have two same base, but one on top, one on the bottom, you're gonna subtract the power. Yeah. So I have two same letter y. I'm gonna subtract the top and the bottom. 7/10 minus 1/5. Yeah. And minus 2 fraction. That's where I'm going right now. When you work in adding or subtracting fraction, you need to have same denominator, same number on the bottom. So multiply by 2 for this one because this one gonna make this one become a 10, and they have the same.
So if it was 7/20 and 1/5, it's time for.
You say well, if it's 7/20,
1/5.
yeah, and then you multiply by 4. Yes, because 7 times 4, 5 times 4 is 20. I will go with this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, 7 minus 2 is 5/10. What is 5/10? 1/2. Very good. So 1/2. So my answer here is 1/2. I'm working on the. Okay. Number 8. Let's try by yourself and give me answer. Number 8. Okay. I give you 5 minutes. At least I want you to think about this. Try. There are many ways to do this. You can work on the bottom first, and then you subtract the top, or you can bring the top down first, and you add all of them. So there are many ways. Just try by yourself and give me the answer. Okay. Okay. Tell me, what did you get? Any answer?
1/8 to the power, 1/8x to the power of 7/12.
Okay, I have 1/8 and then x to the 7/12. Okay, what else? Is anyone get the same answer? Okay.
Is that correct?
I don't know. Just give them. We're gonna do together. But what is your answer? What did you get?
8x 1/2.
Ax 1/2. The 8 on the top or bottom?
No, it's just there.
Huh?
It's just there. 5x.
What? Okay, tell me again. What? 8x 1/2 times x.
Yeah.
That's it. So 8 on the top. Like your fraction, right? 8 here is on the bottom, but now your 8 is on the top.
Oh, yeah, oh, one. No, no,
So on the bottom.
no, it's AX is at the bottom, yeah.
Oh, AX, this one on the bottom.
No.
This one on the bottom.
Yeah, never mind.
No. Tell me again. What's your answer then?
One.
One over.
Over and the thing I told you.
What did I tell me? I don't have short memory. AX 1/2 times X.
Yeah.
Okay. Who else?
Oh, yeah.
X 1/4 over 8. X. That's it? Okay. All right. Who else? It's good. Good try. Who else? One try. Who else?
You could put anything, right?
What did you get? What did you get?
Never.
What did you get? Anything?
I'm good. So,
All right. Okay, let's do it. Well, but I simplify. That's mean simplify mean when you see two same number like this, that means it's not finished. Simplify that means you need to get only one. Like this one, you also not finished because you can add the exponent.
Does it affect anything?
Oh, A doesn't affect anything. Okay, let's do it.
Mr. Change one to 8x.
3/2. Right? You add them. If you add them, it's 3/2. Because you can only see one letter. If you have two letters, that means you're not finished yet. You can go. You can still do 7, 12. Okay, similar to this. So you have the same with this. We have two votes for this, and you have this. Okay. Okay, but this you still can do more. You can still do more because you need only one letter. Let's see. There's two ways. You can bring this one down and then add all of them together, or work on this first. Okay. Okay. Try again. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna combine the bottom first. Okay. I'm gonna do one by one, but I combine the bottom first. So I'm gonna same base. I'm gonna add them. 1/2 plus minus 1/6.
oh,
Right.
scrabbles.
So what is 1/2 minus 1/6? Multiply by 3 here. Yeah, multiply by 3 here. So I have 3 over 6 minus 1 over 6. So same number already. Good to go. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 over 6 is 1 over 3. So I have x 1 over 3 here. And now this is a negative. This is negative. I'm going to bring it down.
I did it right the first time.
I'm going to bring this one down because it's a negative. So I have 1 over 8 x1/3 plus x1/4. Yeah, x1/3 or x1/4.
Wait, why is that one?
You flip it, you bring it down, that means there's nothing left, that means 1.
I know what it is.
Yeah,
Wait, let's go, wait. 8x. Look.
yeah. Now what we're gonna do with this?
Multiply.
1/3 and 1/4. Same base. You add them. So x1/3 plus 1/4. What is 1/3 plus 1/4? How can you add two fractions? Multiply this by 4. Multiply by 4. Yeah, by 3. Very good. The bottom I have 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. We have the same denominator, so good to go. I'm going to add the top. 7 over 12. Oh, look like this is correct answer. 1 over 8 x 7 over 12. That's the correct answer. Whoever got this is correct. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you are right. Yeah. Are we good for number 8? Let me go over one more again. Here, number on the bottom, the same base, so I'm gonna add the exponent, right? I add the, so one half plus negative 1/6 is 1/2 minus 1/6. After calculate, I already erase this, but after calculate this function, I have 1/3. So, and then I see this one is negative. This power is negative, so I'm gonna bring it down. And bring it down, or you can subtract them, still same answer. Whatever work for you. So bring it down, I have x 1/3 times x 1/4. Again, huh? Oh, because, so here, 1/2 plus negative 1/6 is the same as 1/2 minus 1/6, right? Plus and minus, it's still minus. And how can you do this? I need to make them same denominator. So times 3, yeah, times 3, very good. So 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, and then minus 6. Same denominator, good to go. What is 3 minus 1? 2, 2/6. What is 2/6? Yeah, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. That's how I got 1/3. Yeah, because this. And then this is negative, so I flip it, I bring it down. And again, I have same letter. So I'm gonna add the exponent. 1/3 plus 1/4. So I have 7/12.
I think it's a different way.
Yeah, there are many ways to do this. There's many ways to do this. But you still get the same answer. You can bring it down and then add all of them together, or you can subtract this one by this, they still get the same answer. Yeah. I will go with number 8. Okay, you done? All right, number 9. Number 9. Sophia. Oh no. Number 9. What you can do? The better back here. Number 9.
Well, is there equal to anything, like a whole number?
So simplify. Let's make them into exponent first. Okay. 9 to the 1/4. Can you convert the 9? What is 9? Something square. Yeah, 3 square. So 3 square, right? 9 3 square. I still have 1/4 on the outside. What do I do with this? Multiply the power. So 3, 2 times 1/4. So 3, 2/4. Yeah.
So 3 1/2.
3 1/2. Yeah. What is 3 1/2 anyway? What is 1/2 mean? What the power 1/2 mean? Square root. Yeah. So if you see some number like 9, 16, 25, 64, 81, you should know that you can convert them. Like 9 is 3 square, you convert them. Okay. Go to look at Lata. Number 10. Convert them. Yeah, convert them to exponent form. So 5 1/2, very good. And 5 3 4. And what do you do with this? Add them, very good. So 1/2 plus 3 4. If you know, do you know how to do 1/2 plus 3 4?
Yeah, so. Like, 1/2 by 2.
Exactly, yes.
And 2/4 plus 3/4 is 1.
Right. So 2 4 plus 3 4. You're gonna have 5 4. Very good. Yes, that's it. Good. Yes. Very supportive. Okay. Huh? Number 9. You want the number 9? Yeah. So 9, I convert 9 to 3 square. You got 3 square is 9, right? So convert 9 to 3 square. And then this is a power of power. This is similar to this. This is this. You have two powers, so you're gonna multiply them. Multiply the power, right? So okay, first I convert the 9 into 3 square, and I still have 1 4 outside. Yeah, and then 2 times 1 4 is 2 4, and 2 4 simplifies 1/2. Yeah, good. Okay. I'm recording it, so I'm gonna you just make it worse. So you can review it. You can review it. Can you erase? Yeah. Yes. Can I write this? Yes. Huh? Yeah. This? Yeah, 3. All right, next person, Nayeli. 11, little bit tricky. Yeah. Work inside out, always work inside out. But again, this is simplified, so it's better to convert them to exponents. Can you convert the exponent inside first? What is that? 16. So 16, 1/3. Yeah. And you still have the square root, big square root outside. And now, can you convert the square root? Can you convert the square root? What is square root? 1/2, right? So 1/2 gonna stay inside. Or gonna stay outside. 1/2 outside, I think. Right, yeah. Have a good weekend. All right, now what you gonna do? What you gonna do after this? Multiply, right? So 1/3 times 1/2, it is 1/6. Multiply fraction is easier. You just need to top to top, bottom to bottom. Oh, 1/2 is a square root. Yeah, any question? The noise level is like a parabola. It's like very loud and then very quiet. Like you take a breath to get the energy, and then very loud again and very quiet. All right, number 12. Next person, Anthony. Number 12. Just convert them. Okay, just convert everything. So what? Okay, convert this one. So 36. What is the power of 36? What? 1/1 over 6. Yeah, the root power is 6, so it's 1/6. How about x? 3/6. Y? 3/6. 36. Can you convert the 36? Do you think 36 can be converted? 6 squared, right? 36 is 6 squared. And what is 3/6? 1/2. And y is also 1/2. Yes. What can you do with this? With the power and power? You multiply. Very good. So 6, 2 times 1/6, x 1/2 and y 1/2. So 6 times 1/6 is 2/6. And 2/6 is 1/3. So the answer is 6, 1/3. And then x 1/2, y 1/2. Again, it looks like a lot of steps, but just do one step, one by one. And what do you think you can convert it? Like, okay, I convert this one radical into exponent, so 1/6. But then 36 is actually 6 squared. So I will write 36 as 6 squared. And then I have power, so I multiply them. 1/6 multiplied by 2, I have 2/6. 2/6 is 1/3. And x and y is a 3/6. 3/6 is 1/2. So yeah.
I wouldn't mind.
Let me know if it needs to slow down. Did you get number 12? Yeah? This is going to be the last two. Okay, that would be it. The last symbol or the symbol we have. All right, are we good? Can we move on to the next one? It's still running? Training. No, I test testing if the brain can be over here. It's not like test is it raining. Okay, can we move on to 13? Timara, next one. Do you remember last semester? Oh, someone out? The hall pass one to the hall pass. Someone out. Oh, wait. Number 13, everyone. So pay attention here. Get back here. We're almost done. Maria, do you remember last semester when you have the square root on the bottom? What do we do? Who remember last semester? We call rationalize. Have a seat. Huh? No. So what we're gonna do when we have the square root on the bottom? Orlando, have a seat, please. What do we do when we have square root on the bottom? Huh? Wait for Maria. No. I say no. The whole one. Huh? Say again. I'm waiting for your response. Anyone? Do you remember? Do we allow to have square root on the bottom? No, right? And what do we do? What do we do to cancel the square root on the bottom? Do you remember? Huh? No, multiply by what? You multiply is correct, but multiply by what? Multiply by the same thing. Do you remember? Multiply by square root of y. Multiply by square root of y. Do you remember this? What happens when you multiply square root of y and square root of y? Yeah. What is square root of y times square root of y? Y. Is there any more square root? No. So that's it. Remember this? Yeah. Unit 5. Right. Like unit 5 last semester. I don't remember that. And the top you still have x square root of y. It's okay to have square root on the top. But now we get rid of the square root on the bottom already. Okay. So this remind you on the last semester we learned. Yeah, that's it. Right, let's do 15. Let's do 15. Let's do 15 first. Leave a little space here and then do 15. Okay. We almost done. So let's pay attention here. We almost done. Chris, we almost done. Brian, just pay attention here. I know this is the end, this is previously we almost done. That's because I don't want to keep talking, keep reminding you pay attention. It's already done, we're almost done, okay? Pay attention here. All right, 15. X to the 1/4. So if you convert them, x to the 1/4 is 4 root of x, right? Yeah. How can we don't want a root on the bottom. How can we get rid of this root? Multiply, but multiply by what? That's the question. 4 root. That's not going to cancel out. Right, yeah, but it's not going to cancel the root. So here, this is a new thing. So I don't expect you to notice. Here, new thing. Last semester, we were only dealing with the square root. That's why I don't explain to you why this happened. Here, we already learned the fraction. Watch this. My beautiful people, watch this. What is y where square root mean? Can you change your fraction? 1/2, right? And what is y so square root? Another 1/2, right? So what did you do to the power? When you see this, what do you do to the power? Add them, right? So what is 1/2 plus 1/2? That's why the square root gone. You want to apply same thing for here. What number when you add to 1/4 it become what? 3, 4. 3, 4, right? So that's what you need to multiply. You need to multiply 3, 4. Yeah. Yeah, see on the top bar right now. See that? That's the reason why we multiply to the square root again. Because it's another 1/2. 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1 and no more root. Same thing here, we have 1/4. So you multiply to 3, 4 because 1/4 plus 3, 4 gonna give me 1, right? Very good. So 7x, and that is the answer. Again, last semester we only dealing with square root, so I didn't talk about this, but this we're gonna deal with cube root, 4 root, so that's why we're gonna convert them to exponents form like this. Now we can go back to the 14. Let's do 14. Okay, take it. Maria. 14. Oh, here. Okay, we want to go back one round already. So Selene. First, you need to take care of the negative. So you flip it. So 1 over y to third. What number you gonna add to get 1? Selene. What do I multiply to get rid of the fraction? What do I add to 2/3 to get 1? 1/3, yes. Yeah, so 2/3 plus 1/3. And on top I still have 1/3. 1/3 is cube root, right? But we don't cube root on the top is okay. That 1 here is about the bottom. The bottom is now 1. So that's I want. That's good. Wow. All right. We already done 15. Okay, so last example for today. Alan. What you gonna do? So convert this one into fraction first. What is z to the power? Yeah, that's z. To the power 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. What do you multiply to get rid of the square the 4 root? What do you multiply to get rid of the fraction? No. What is strategy we have been doing right here? What is strategy we have been doing right here? Bring 4. Very good. 3, 4. Because and whatever you do to the bottom, you need to do the top. So top I have x, y, z, 3, 4. Bottom is 1/4 plus 3, 4, which is 1. So no more root on the bottom. That's what I want, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. That concludes our lesson A to B.
So why do you multiply it by 3?
Huh? Which one? Here?
Yeah.
Oh, because, okay. Remember when you have 1/2, like the square?
Yeah.
You're gonna multiply to another 1/2 because 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. Same thing, you have 1/4. I'm gonna find another number such that when I add to the 1/4, I'm gonna have 1. And that is 3/4. Because 3/4 plus 1/4 is gonna be 1. Yeah. Any other questions?